What if I told you that a simple strip of tape could help you sleep deeper, snore less, and even wake up with fresher breath? Sounds crazy, right? But before you dismiss it, this weird little hack is backed by science. Stick around until the end because I'll show you exactly how to do it safely with 3 essential tips. Hey friends, Dr. Foxy here, your trusted dentist breaking down oral health myths with real science. Today, we're tackling a topic that sounds straight out of a prank video, mouth taping. But before you laugh, know this. Research shows it can help with snoring, dry mouth, and even mild sleep apnea. So, what exactly is mouth taping? Simply put, mouth taping involves placing a gentle adhesive strip over your lips at night. The goal? To promote nasal breathing instead of mouth breathing while you sleep. Sounds strange, right? But there's some real science behind it. Here's why nasal breathing beats mouth breathing every time. Your nose filters allergens and bacteria. Goodbye, morning throat gunk. It releases nitric oxide, a molecule that improves oxygen flow by up to 20% per Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine 2023. It keeps your tongue in the right spot, reducing snoring and sleep disruptions. So, why might you want to tape your mouth shut? Studies have shown that for some people, especially habitual mouth breathers with mild sleep apnea, mouth taping can cut down the apnea-hypopnea index. That's just fancy talk for how often your breathing stops or slows during sleep. One small study found that mouth taping reduced these events by nearly half in mild cases. Plus, mouth taping can prevent dry mouth, reduce morning bad breath, and even help improve your overall sleep quality, leaving you feeling more rested and alert the next day. It's amazing how such a simple practice can have such significant benefits. Now, mouth taping isn't for everyone. Here's how to tell if it's right for you. You might benefit if you primarily breathe through your mouth during sleep. You have mild snoring or very mild sleep apnea. You frequently wake up with a dry mouth or bad breath. Warning, mouth taping can be dangerous if you have moderate or severe sleep apnea. You could suffocate. Chronic nasal congestion. If you can't breathe through your nose, don't tape your mouth. Asthma or COPD. Talk to your doctor first. When in doubt, get a sleep study. This isn't a guessing game. Always, always, always consult with your doctor or a sleep specialist if you're unsure. Your health and safety are my top priority. Okay, you've decided to give mouth taping a shot. Great. Here are my top 3 tips for a safe and effective experience. Test nasal breathing first. Try the 2-minute challenge. Sit comfortably, close your mouth, and breathe gently through your nose for 2 minutes. If this is difficult, don't tape your mouth. First, address nasal congestion with your doctor. Use the right tape, like Somnifix strips or gentle surgical tape, 3M micropore. These are hypoallergenic, breathable, and won't irritate your skin like regular tape can. You can find these in most drugstores or online. Start slow. Start by using the tape while you're awake during a relaxing evening routine for 10 to 15 minutes. Once comfortable, try sleeping with the tape for shorter periods, gradually increasing the time. Now, here's something vital. If snoring or sleep apnea is your main concern, getting a professional sleep study first is crucial. It's the only reliable way to know your actual sleep health. Mouth taping might help mild cases, but moderate to severe apnea usually requires treatments like CPAP therapy. Always prioritize your safety by consulting a sleep specialist. All right, friends, that's mouth taping explained. It might seem unusual, but it can be genuinely beneficial in the right situations. Have you ever tried mouth taping, or is it too weird? Do you have more questions? Comment below. And if you found this helpful, smash that like button. It helps others find science-backed tips like this. Subscribe for more dental secrets, and I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep smiling and breathing easy.